Hello everyone, welcome to my guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to remove your own headlight on your Mazda 3 at home. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade if required, maybe not, and a 10mm socket. Okay, so first we have a screw here, a 10mm here, a 10mm here, a 10mm on the side. Once everything's removed, it's as simple as disconnecting up here. That, your headlight will just slide forward. So you remove a couple little pieces. That's it. Headlight is out. Exact same applies to your other side headlight. One tab out here, slide straight out. To put it back in, you're going to want to be very careful. You're going to want to make sure you have your piece here sitting above so it doesn't get caught. Lower the light down. Over inside here, you can't see it, but we have a locating tab. Make sure you line it up, and that's it. It'll just slide right in. You want to get your wiring, connect it up, put it back where it's meant to go. On my car it is broken, so don't really have much choice there. And that's it. Put your bolts in. You're going to be very careful tightening your bolts. If you tighten them too much, you can break the tabs that they sit on. So you just want to tighten them just past finger tightness, just a little bit, just a little turn. And that's it. Your headlight is back in. You can put the bar back on. Your headlights are done. Alright, so now we have the bolts all pretty much all the way in, just a little bit left. We're going to put the clip in and make sure it lines up. Going to tighten these when they stop, and then just a little bit past. So, tighten till it stops. Just a little bit past. That's it. Put everything back together, and we are done.